Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to completely delete application files on your Mac, leaving no leftover junk behind. So when you delete an application on your Mac, it only deletes the application itself. All those supporting files and folders remain. I'm going to show you how to delete all of these as well. To do this, we need to go to our web browser and download a small application called App Cleaner. It does exactly what it says. When you uninstall an application, it scans your whole system for leftover files, and you'll be able to choose whether you want to delete them or not. To download the installer, go to the download section of the App Cleaner website and click on the latest version. Choose where you want to download the installer. I'm going to choose my desktop. Now that we have the application downloaded, we just need to install it. Navigate to where you downloaded the installer. In my case, it's my downloads folder. Double-click on the .zip file, and it's going to extract the application. Now, I recommend dragging and dropping this application into your applications folder. I've already got it installed, so I'm just going to click Replace. So, now we have the App Cleaner app downloaded to our Mac. We can go ahead and open it up. Because it's downloaded from the internet, you'll get this prompt. Click Open. This is what it's going to look like, a very simple UI. Before we start using the app, the first thing we need to do is give App Cleaner permission to delete files from our hard drive. To do this, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then click into System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Scroll down and find Full Disk Access, and click into that. Toggle on App Cleaner. You may need to enter your Mac password. Once you've done this, it will have full disk access so it can delete files. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the system settings. Now we've given App Cleaner permission to delete files. I recommend running it in the background so it's automatically going to find files on your system where you can optionally delete them. To do this, click on the App Cleaner setting at the top, then click into the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings panel, click on Smart Delete, and toggle this on. This allows it to run in the background. Once you've done this, you can exit out of the Settings panel. There are two ways of using App Cleaner. You can either manually drag applications into App Cleaner, or you can delete applications as normal by dragging them into the bin. Either way, App Cleaner will scan for files on your system and will ask you if you want to delete them or not. In this case, I'm going to close out App Cleaner as it runs in the background, and I'm going to delete the Firefox application just as you normally would by dragging it to the trash bin. Once I've done this, App Cleaner is going to scan for files in the background, and it's going to appear like this. It's going to show me all the files and folders that it's found on my system. Now I can manually tick or untick the files I want to delete, and once I've done this, all you need to do is simply click Remove. Once you've done this, go into your bin or your trash, and as you can see, all the files that it scanned for have automatically been transferred into the bin, along with the application. So all we need to do now is to empty our bin, and our Mac is now fully clean of the application that we have deleted. I just want to mention, you should be careful which files you are deleting, as you don't want to cause any harm to your system. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.